Today,
we're painting wood space figures.
we have a spaceman, an alien spaceship, and a space shuttle.
Are you ready to help Asher choose the colors to paint?
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!
Alright, welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures, and today we are doing some painting and we have some colors and we are painting these figures right here. What do we have right there?
1, 2, 3.
We got 3 figures. We have a spaceship.
And we have some colors right here.
Yeah, we have some colors over there.
And we have some water here. And we have some paintbrushes.
Yes, water and paintbrush. And we have a spaceman and an alien. Which one you want to paint first?
This one.
The spaceship. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at the spaceship.
Maybe I need to do the purple one.
Look at that.
I'm going to choose this one.
What color are you going to do first?
This is the purple in the hole.
Okay. Wait a second. Let's see. Purple? Okay, let's see. Let's wait a second. You doing purple in the circle?
Okay.
All right, do purple only in the circle.
And
And let's do that one at the tip.
the tip.
Yep. Over there on the top. Yep, right there. The top part. Yep, there. Alright, take care of the edges. Remember the edges. Yep, you can hold it. Get more paint. Get more glue. Alright, so now we're gonna do
With the
the
fire.
fire. The fire, we're gonna do the fire?
Yellow.
Which one you doing?
Yellow.
Alright, be careful, just be nice with it. Do it with the edges.
And now don't crush.
Nice.
And what's more?
Let's do a little bit more yellow.
Okay.
Finish it up. What?
Orange.
Let's get some orange.
Let's put some orange right
In the middle, yes.
there. There you go. And I want
A little bit more over there.
orange here. There you go.
Right there. Ooh, nice. We got the fires.
There's some bacon dry.
Now we
There's some bacon dry.
dry a little bit. Yeah, cool. All right, clean it up. And next, we're gonna do the wings.
It's so picture. What are I
Clean
gonna
it up.
do? Where I gonna do the wings?
Let's do the wings. Purple.
Purple.
So clean it. Well, all right. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right. So
We're gonna do this one. This color's kind of cute.
we're doing light blue, and where are we doing light blue? On the base. Nice. Okay, let's do the one on the top.
What's in there?
Let's do this line right here.
Yeah. You can color it. Okay, I color already. Just
See?
stick.
All right.
And just put it in the middle. Let's see.
All right, clean it up. All right, well, now we're gonna do white.
Okay, let's do white.
White, and we're gonna do white right there.
Okay.
All around, white.
White right here.
Watch the edges, yep.
Edges.
Go.
That's white.
Easy. Just go around.
And I'm gonna move backwards. I'm not gonna hold it. Yeah.
All right, that's good. All right, we're finished. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit and we're going to the next one. Which one you want to do next? We're gonna do the alien ship.
Yeah.
All right, let me see. Let me see. Put it right there. Ooh, we got an alien. We're gonna do that one now.
We're gonna put yellow, and the next one says orange, blue,
And what color is gonna be the alien?
It's orange, purple.
Purple. Okay, cool. We'll start. All right, so let's start with the alien. What color are we doing first?
I'm gonna do some blue.
Blue. All right, let's do some blue.
What's the thing? Let's put some blue. Let's take the ones.
Whoa, all right. So what are we doing next?
Yellow for
Ooh.
the fire.
For the fire?
Yeah.
All right, let's try that.
Let's go in first. And do the color noise.
That yellow is like your shirt.
Yeah, it's really my shirt. It's my shirt. And then my favorite color. It's my favorite color.
Yellow is your favorite color?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
This one fun.
And now let's do orange. All right, let's do the light blue.
And here.
Yep, not light blue, that one. Yep. And let's do that one inside there.
That means that.
All right, so let's do purple.
Purple. What's the purple?
Be careful. All right. Now I'll help you do the details. for the face. I'll help you with that one. Yeah!
Let's do this.
We have the alien ready. You like it?
Yeah.
Which one we have next?
This.
Let me see. Ooh, the spaceman with the spacesuit. Ooh. Whoa, so now we're doing the spaceman. Ooh, what are we doing now?
We different humans. It's all white around.
All white around? Alright, let's start.
We're gonna put some. We're gonna put some.
Ooh, so we got it all white. What we do next?
Do for the one.
Okay, let's see.
Dark blue.
Yeah, dark blue. Alright, I'm gonna help you with the details, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Whoa! Look at what we finished. Ooh, so cool. You like them?
Yeah.
Ooh, which one is your favorite?
That one.
Ooh, the spaceship?
Yeah. Go to the channel. Bye.